What's up, everyone? A lot of you have been messaging me about studying in America for next year. Some of you know that the applications for next year's admissions have already started, which means that this is the time you need to start taking all the exams you need to fulfill the requirements of your application. Although some universities have made the SAT, GRE, or GMAT optional, you still need to take at least one English proficiency exam to show the university that you meet their minimum demonstrated English proficiency requirements. I still remember a few years ago when I was planning to take the TOEFL exam right before studying abroad, and I was kind of nervous, I was scared, I had a lot of questions about the exam. If you're in the same situation, then I am here to share an excellent opportunity for you to learn more about the TOEFL exam. There is a Facebook live session happening on August 26th, 11 a.m. American Pacific time. It's being conducted by Study in the USA, which is an organization that helps students to study abroad, and they're inviting an international blogger, Pietro Rossini, who's going to come and tell you everything. He also took the TOEFL exam just like me, and he's going to share all the information and all the tips and tricks which he used while taking the exam, and how did he do, and he's also going to share his experience of studying in America. So go check out the live session, put it on your calendars. All the information is in the caption of this post, and just go check it out. Ask them all the questions that you want, and it'll be a great session, I'm sure. And if you have any questions after that, you can message me or message Study in the USA. We're always here to help you, and all the best with your journey of studying abroad.